guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's reviews is on Colorbar beauty blender. But before starting this video, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon near the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my video and you can say hello in Instagram. It is come with this kind of Ziploc plastic packaging. Once you open it up, you have this beauty blender, and this beauty blender is related all information written on outer packaging but not expired because it depends on quality and uses of beauty blender. I never use any beauty blender before this honestly. I was thinking to buy good quality affordable price beauty blender और मैंने काफ़ी सर्च किया और काफ़ी सर्च करने के बाद मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे ब्रांड की ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर मिले थे नायका पर अब 500 रुपीज़। और मैं एक ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर के लिए इतने पैसे खर्च करने वाली नहीं थी क्योंकि मैंने आपको बताया कि मैंने इसके पहले कोई भी ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर यूज़ नहीं किया था। तो मुझे कलर बार पे ये ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर मिला और कलर बार ब्रांड भी अच्छा है, तो मुझे लगा कि प्राइस कम होगा तो इसका साइज भी छोटा होगा, पर आप देख सकते हैं साइज इसका सफिशिएंट है यूज़ करने के लिए। I pay for this beauty blender is rupees 149, but the actual price of this beauty blender is rupees 199, which is very affordable। और मैंने इसे नाइका से लिया था डिस्काउंट से, जैसे कि मैंने आपको प्राइस बताया अभी। और साथ ही आपको मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम ये ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर आपको आउट ऑफ स्टॉक ही दिखने वाला है। इट वर्क्स so well and does not absorb much makeup products।
Before using this beauty blender, you need to soak it into water for 30 to 40 seconds. After that, squeeze it well. Now it is ready to use। अब इसका साइज भी डबल हो गया है and now it feels so soft to touch।
It feels so soft and squeezy। Now let's see how it performs।
First, I am gonna apply here Colorbar Perfect Match Primer on my face because I have extremely oily skin। Next, I am applying here Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 228 Soft Tan, and this is the way you dab it. Never rub it on your face or on your skin. Always dab the product whenever you use a sponge। This blends so well, it is giving me very nice natural look। I really satisfied with this beauty blender। This is the final work that you can see on my face। It is giving me very nice finish।
It works so well, it gives very nice even finish as you can see। Along with this is very affordable beauty blender and it does not absorb much makeup products। You can use it for blend your foundation, for your bronzer, for your highlighter, for your blush and contour your face, for basically for everything, and I definitely going to recommend this sponge to you। So this was for today's video। If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to my channel and like and share this video। Till then, bye, take care।